Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the basics of trigonometry. Now what does trigonometry mean? Trigonometry means measurement of triangles. So we will consider various triangles and will try to understand the relationships between the sides and angles of right angle triangles. So let's start with the concepts related to trigonometry. In trigonometry, we are going to use certain words very regularly, which are perpendicular, hypotenuse, and base. We will represent perpendicular as small p, hypotenuse as small h, and base as small b. So let us now understand what are these words with the help of the figure given over here. Let us consider a triangle ABC, which is right angled at B. Angle A and angle C are acute angles here. So let us now understand for angle A and angle C, what will be the perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. Let's first consider angle A. For angle A, the side that is opposite to angle A, which is side BC, will be the perpendicular. The adjacent side that is touching the angle A will become the base, and the side which is opposite to the right angle becomes the hypotenuse. So the values of perpendicular will be BC, the value of base is AB, and the value of hypotenuse is AC. Now let us consider angle C. For angle C, the side which is opposite to angle C, that is AB, will become the perpendicular. The side that is touching the angle C, which is BC, becomes the base, and the longest side of the triangle that is opposite to 90-degree angle will become the hypotenuse. So the value of perpendicular for angle C will be AB, the base P will be equal to BC, and the hypotenuse will be equal to AC. To indicate an angle, any letter of the English alphabet can be used, but in trigonometry in general, the following Greek letters are used. This is theta, this is the symbol of phi, this is alpha, this is beta, and this is gamma. Let us now learn the various trigonometrical ratios. Now, what are trigonometrical ratios? If we will consider a right angled triangle, there will be a ratio between the lengths of a pair of two sides, and those ratios are called as trigonometrical ratios. There are 6 types of trigonometrical ratios in a right angle triangle, which are sine, which is usually written as sin in trigonometry. Second is cosine, which is written as cos. Third is tangent, which is written as tan. Fourth is cotangent, which is written as cot. Fifth is secant, which is written as sec. Sixth is cosecant, which is written as cosec. Now let us learn what are these 6 trigonometrical ratios with the help of figures. Let us now consider a right angle triangle in which theta is the acute angle. So here you can see the side which is opposite to angle theta will become the perpendicular. The side which is opposite to the 90-degree angle will become the hypotenuse, and the side which is next to angle theta, that is the adjacent side, will become the base. Now let us find out the values of the trigonometrical ratios. So sin theta is calculated using the formula perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is calculated as base upon hypotenuse. Value of tan theta is calculated as perpendicular upon base. Once you have learned these 3, the rest of the 3 are just the reciprocals. So cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So it is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, so it will become hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, so it will become base upon perpendicular. If you find difficulty in remembering which trigonometrical ratio is the reciprocal of which other trigonometrical ratio, let me give you one hint to remember this. Always check the third alphabet. This is S, which refers to sin theta. This is C, which refers to cos theta. This is T, which refers to tan theta. So cosec theta here is actually 1 by sin theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. We can write similar expressions for sin theta now. So sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Let us now consider one right angle triangle and find out the various trigonometrical ratios. So let us consider that ABC is a right angle triangle which is right angled at B. The measurement of AB is given as 5 units. The measurement of BC is given as 12 units. So here you can see in the figure the angle theta is the acute angle, and the side which is opposite to angle theta is the perpendicular. So this side AB will be the perpendicular. The side which is adjacent to angle theta will become the base, and the side which is opposite to the right angle will become the hypotenuse. Now in this figure we do not have the value of hypotenuse, but we can find it out using the Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, the value of h square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So we will put the values here. This will become 5 square plus 12 square. So h square is equal to 25 plus 144. H square is equal to 169. To find the value of h, we will take the square root of both the sides. So this will become h is equal to square root of 169, which is equal to 13 units. So the value of h here is 13 units. Now let us find out the various trigonometrical ratios. The value of sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is equal to 5 upon 13. The value of cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, that is equal to 12 upon 13. And the value of tan theta is perpendicular upon base, which is equal to 5 by 12. Now the value of cosec theta is just the reciprocal of sin theta, that is h upon p, which is equal to 13 upon 5. The value of sec theta is equal to h upon b because it is the reciprocal of cos theta. So that will be equal to 13 upon 12, and the value of cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, which is equal to 12 upon 5.